Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about the looming threat of massive earthquake in Japan. I recently watched an interview with Kamata, a leading expert in earth sciences. And what he shared was both eye-opening and also terrifying. Let's talk about it today. Before getting into the details, I looked into Professor Kamata's background. He has been teaching at Kyoto University for years, and he's one of the most popular professors out there. One of his disaster prevention lectures on YouTube channel has already reached 1 million views out there. If you get interested, you can check it out. His specialty is geoscience, which focuses on nature disasters like earthquakes and also volcanic eruptions. And quite interesting, he doesn't look like the stereotypical scientist I've ever imagined. But his appearances and also clothing style make him look more like an astrologer or a fortune teller rather than a professor, I should say. But he actually uses as a way to make science become more engaging and more approachable. And Japanese media often highlights two major earthquake strikes, and one is Nankai Trough Megathrust earthquake, and another is Tokyo near-field earthquake. Both sound terrifying, of course, but they're actually quite different. The Nankai Trough is located in the Pacific Ocean and south of Japan. Actually, it's an area with frequent seismic activities, and historically, a major earthquake had occurred out there roughly every 100 years. So, Professor Kamata compared it to a 100 years pendulum, meaning Japan is locked into the predictable earthquake cycle. On the other hand, a Tokyo near-field earthquake refers to a major earthquake expected to hit the Tokyo metropolitan area, which includes not only Tokyo but also the surrounding three prefectures. This is particularly concerning because Tokyo and its neighboring regions have a population of around 38 million people, roughly 1/3 of Japan's total population. So, if a major earthquake strikes, the consequence could be very catastrophic. The Japanese government estimated that there is a 70 to 80 chances that the Nankai Trough earthquake will occur within the next 30 years. But let's be honest, what does 70% probability even mean in real life? And Professor Kamata puts it bluntly, this earthquake is almost guaranteed to happen between 2030 to 2040. And expected damage? Staggering. The estimated death toll could reach 320,000 people, and more than 10 times the casualties of 2011, the Great East Japan earthquake. And more than half of Japan's total population, around 68 million people, could be affected. Hearing these numbers is shocking, but instead of panicking, the best thing we can do is prepare. If you are near the coast and feel the strong earthquake, don't wait for an official warning and run to the high ground immediately. And a tsunami can hit within 3 minutes, and even a short delay could be fatal. And prepare an emergency survival kit. Make sure it includes drinking water and instant food and first aid supplies and essential medication. The Nankai Trough Megathrust earthquake is not a question of if, it's a question of when. So being caught off guard could mean disaster, but with the right preparation, we can also increase our chances of survival. If you live in Japan, have you already taken steps to prepare for an earthquake? Let me know in the comment. Don't forget to give this video a thumb up if you like it, and I will see you in the next one. Stay safe. See ya.